This is a required weekly test of the emergency alert system.
Positive, encouraging K-Love. The following is a test of the emergency alert system. This has been a test of the emergency alert system, designed to keep you informed in the event of a national, state, or local emergency. Positive, encouraging K-Love.
And I hope that you will get to know.
This is a test of the broadcast stations of your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
And this, I think, is government actors and also some, old version.
Yes.
So I have a total of 100 yes.
Yeah, okay. I'm gonna load up calls.
A continuación, una prueba del sistema de alerta de emergencia. Esto es solo una prueba. Esto fue una prueba del sistema de alerta de emergencias de su área, un sistema que rápidamente le puede ayudar en caso de una emergencia. En caso de una emergencia como un tornado o una tormenta severa, un mensaje oficial se escuchará después del tono de alerta. Esto incluye esta prueba del sistema de alerta de emergencias.